Yeah. Hi, fish. Kadagpo. Let's go. Muna siya mga isda diri guys. Nga ilahang gi buhi diri. Okay. Let's go.
How about you take that fish?
Wow. Why you're so big?
No, that's a small one.
This is the ano. You see? Ah.
Mama, that's a car pod.
Muna siya diri guys. Lang, grabe kadagpo nila. Come here. It's a giant fish. Dapa. Okay. Let's move. Hi! Nag-inusara lagi ka diha. Hello! Okay, let's go.
What the? Is that Barbuda?
Yes.
This is my father said this is a
Oh my.
I think that looks like that Amazon fish. How are you sure? How are you sure?
Look at.
That
Wait, is this whale shark? No?
That's a shark, Mom. That's another type of shark.
Come here, come here. Boy.
Where are they? Come bring some stick.
Okay. Oh, kadagpo eh.
But you want to take a picture?
You're correct!
Anak sa anak ta. Okay na? Ay, forma na yan. Okay, let's go.
Mom, it is the...
Giant Arab.
It's Amazon thing!
Yeah.
Alam.
Ano siya diri guys? Ang mga klase sa isda. Daghan kita og mga kuanan diri.
This is the alligator.
Ma-learn ang mga klase sa isda. Yes. Keep going. Nagkuha oy. Grabe. Doon na nag-standby siya. Muro siya crocodile. Duha sila kabuok. Oh, wow. Let's go.
The puffer fish. Wait,
Ah.
stingray! Wait, what's the puffer? I don't see the puffers. But it's stingray. Oh my god, what is that?
Kanino po siya mga klase sa isda diri. Emperor Blowhook. Tapos nga keep going. Alas 4 ang kuwan.
What's up?
Iguana.
Is that iguana? I mean, no fun. No photography.
This is iguana.
I never seen one.
Ah. Iguana.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh my god. So pretty.
Nice kayo camera on.
What's the word for it?
Sugar glider. Mansia. Python snake. Ito nakuha niya oy. Kantin. Python snake.
Oh my.
This is Savannah monitor lizard. Natulog siya. Green tree python. Dara siya. Nagloko-loko. Blue eye logistic python. Dara siya. Nagloko-loko. Fireball python. Oh, diara siya. Snow corn snake. Fire corn snake. Oh. Kani siya banana ball python. loves. Nanami diri, nag-ready nami para sa amo ang bird show. Tanawa. Oh, ha? Oh, nag-ready nami. Nanami diri sa lingkuranan. Nag-waiting nami sa bird show. Tanawa na to. Og isa ka mga talented niya. Ilahang mga kualanggam diri. Oh.
Are you ready to see the bird show? I can hear you. The sky belongs to the birds. Although they are masters of the land and sea. One group of animals will venture so high in the air. That's the It's showtime, so ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome for Flag Racing Bird Bandit. So right there is our green wing macaw. This bird can be found in the woodland in forests in northern and central South of America. Airborne folks officially started, so round of applause for Flag Racing Bird Bandit. So hello everyone, maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. So I am Jesse Rose for today. Now our next featured bird is just like any best friends, but sometimes the best friends can be competitive too, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. So today they battle against who's the best in a basketball game. So your cat is blue and your beans is azul. So guys, before we start the friendly battle, I'll divide you guys into two groups. So boys, let me cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And for the girls, let me cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go, let's go blue, let's go blue. So first ball by Wolfers, second for blue, followed by Azul, and blue wins the basketball game. And it's alright, Azul. So trainer wins. They lost this game. What can you say?
Hold the chair, guys. We want another race.
Uy, another race now.
Are you sure about that? Can Azul lose again?
Ala, sheesh, my mind.
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
So what race have you in mind?
Let's do a ring race. Now, the mechanics of this game is the first bird can drop all 3 rings to the pole. The fastest is the winner. Now, that's our ring race.
So first remember that blue and boys get 1 point already. So this time let's know who win Azul. And let's do it with our race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go, let's go blue, let's go Azul. So first win by blue birds, blue birds. Ano na yung what's this? Azul just pick clear rings like a clever technique by Azul. So Trader Cat, do you see that? Clear rings, what can you say?
Hey, was that fair? Next you got cheated.
We not cheat the move.
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So also Randos for blue and Azul. Now this time I need one adult volunteer with a money paper bill. I need one adult volunteer. Isa ang adult. Iwan. Ikaw. And we will hear more. So pagdala of 20, 50, or 100. So bring me a money, ma'am. Pagdala of money paper bill. So 20, 50, or 100. Or anyone to do as long as money paper bill. Ako please stand up here. So mommy, can you introduce yourself first?
Hello, my name is Christine.
So welcome to Cebu Ocean Park. So ma'am, any last word to say?
Good afternoon.
So ma'am, we're having ma'am move or swing your arm. Now let's go in. Our money bird, blue. So blue, the money is real or not. Now, so blue. Let's go, blue. Blue flies over and gets the money. Once next blue, slide back to the table and ma'am blue wants to. There you go, donate blue. So ma'am, are you okay with your money? No hard feelings. She's okay ma'am about second now. This time bigger amount, 500 pesos. So kailangan sige ma'am, when your money before that, you must have a cheap for souvenir. And please stand up there and follow your cat instruction. So pictures of woman for souvenir. And give your best pose and smile together, money blue. Mommy is your money, ma'am. And please follow the paper here. You printed copy for free. So guys, I round off for volunteer and number blue. Now this time, we introduce you our 4 kinds of parrot here in Cebu Ocean Park. First is our green wing macaw bandit, our blue and gold macaw bully, our blue name parrot named Yushi, and our eclectus parrot named Rojo. So a friendly reminders to each one of you. If the birds inquire will move around, please do not try to touch or reach the bird because it's threatened and they will bite, especially the kids. So ayun hika pa mga birds. So kay mamaakli sila. Now let's go in bandit, bully, Yushi, and Rojo. Now let's turn same as wool. So laying hairlines makes silence in Goldie. So Goldie's scientific name is Para Urbana. So next feature Vince is our bully parrot named Yushi. So bully parrot can be found in Borneo and here in the Philippines. So in the Philippines, they're located known as big birds, the yellow caress, but Nigel has never right orange. So last feature Vince is our Moluccan cactus dog. This bird can be found in Sumatra archipelago of eastern Indonesia. So Eclectus parrot are an unusual parrot family because of their sexual dimorphism. Meaning and distinguish is a female or a male Eclectus parrot. So there is a female Eclectus parrot because of their bright colored red feathers. And male is a bright colored green feathers. So there's a gender. Red means female, green means male. So Romo and Yushi can live up to 30 years old, while Bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 to 70 years old. Now guys, do you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. So that is it, our fourth kind. So parrot means in Ocean Park, Bandit, Goldie, Yushi, and Roho. So what's this game? It's a crochet facts puzzle. Now let's go and Bandit to show us how intelligent it is putting back the shape the correct slab. So let's go Bandit. So parrot are particularly intelligent and perceptive. They enhance their skills so they won't get bored. So in the lab, use your intelligence to find food, shelter, and a good place for nest. So that's shape Bandit. So intelligent, right? A round of applause for Bandit. So guys, I've been here an object. It's a ball. Our bride is one of these three silver cup. As you can see, they are all empty. So walay sulod atong mga cup. So guys, we're going to hide this object in your left and your right or in the middle. Which side? Left, right, middle. Again, left, right, middle. Let's put up here. Now let's go in our second bird, Goldie. So do you think Goldie can find that hidden object? Let's see, yes, let me cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Again, you can do it, Goldie. Now Goldie, find the hidden object. Now Goldie is searching, scanning each stop using your psychic power. There you go, she found it. It's a round of psychic bird, Goldie. So earlier we showed you four kinds of parrot. Now we introduce you our cockatoo. These birds are recognizable because of firmer crest and curved bill. There are only 21 living species of cockatoo in Tartar. But here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three. First is our sulfur crested cockatoo Piggy, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and lastly our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. So again, a friendly reminders. If the birds and trainer won't roam around, please do not try to touch or reach the bird, especially the kids. Now let's go on Snow, Tweety, and Nigel. So if your read is Snow, if your cat is Tweety, and your Mary is Tweety is Mary with cat with Nigel. So let's start in the middle with your Mary is our sulfur crested cockatoo Tweety. This bird prefer habitat of the edge of tropical and subtropical rainforest. As a primal white with black beak and a sulfur yellow forest. trainer showed her rest and how to hold their rest. Next featured cat is our umbrella caribou angel, also known as the great white-crested caribou. They're distinguishable among the white caribou because of only one crest just raised like umbrella. So if a crested angel was not siya, will find direction, attitude, and realization. So isa na sa sila malulog at magtuyo-tuyo, kung balik kayo na asa sa mga. So that's it, our holy pigeons and laughter. Bird minutes in the ocean park. Now let's go with our Philippine Rufus Scramble named Brook. Amazing rides around us are Philippine Rufus Scramble named Brook. So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We have our friends in the land, air, and water. So remember that PRC proper waste disposal is to reduce, reuse, and our struggle in the wild because of proper waste disposal and pollution. So please keep your mind to reduce waste, reuse plastic, and recycle everything we can. So let's touch the zoo. See, if a zoo can do it, so can we. So guys, before we end our show, I invite everyone to come down the stage.
Dapat. Hala, nalingaw ko nila. Oh. Nagko kayo. Isa siya. Oh, nagana nila, oy. Paano na mag-ibangus? Ma'am, it's a milkfish. Yes. Tara guys. Kusuga nila maglangoy, naghana nila. Kamutan mo pwede naghana. Oh. Tanawan ninyo sila, kapanon. Tagko na kayo na mga 3 kilos na ni, kada usahanin nila. Toto 3 kilos kada usahanin ni mga punti nga isda. Kani, tagko na kayo ni siya guys. Papat na gulo na siya mga kani-kanita na sila. Mga 7 kilos na. Tagko kayo sila ay. Hawag ka lang ito. Pwede naghana ng panon. Oh. Diba? Pwede nindota. Malingaw yung kanilang tanaw. Dara, si milkfish. Di magpawani. Oh, di ara si milkfish. Dara, panon. Di pa kinagana. nag-oxygen guys, na diri sa aquarium. Kay nang-review siya. Thank you for watching. Say hi. Nag-hi siya na to. Kay nang-review siya. Nag-ayos sila sa oxygen sa aquarium. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Mga kachika babes, diri sa Ocean Park, naapot sila'y veterinary laboratory. Napoy laboratory sa mga isda nga naa diri. Tanan, ila gining istadihan, kung saan nila pag gam sa mga isda to make it healthy. Ya, mudag ko sila. Mao nila ang laboratory diri guys. Naging sila ito galingong kuan. Doktor diri mga equipment para sa mga isda, para sa mga animals nga naa diri. Naging sila kuan og magkasakit na sila mga antibiotics, na sila mga nutrients, mga vitamins. Og magkasakit po na po sila mga test tubes, naa diri tanan. Na sila complete nga mga equipment. Manilang laboratory. So, kahibaw na gyud sila kung saan nila pagtambal o kung saan nila pagkuhan ang mga masakit nga mga isda. Kaya naagin sila diri tanan. Ano siya? Kunya, di arang ilang microscope kung mag-test. Kaya diri tanan. Muna siya. Pag-complete diri, ilag yung giatiman ang mga isda na atin.
This one is still organism. This one it will start to grow now. This is the grow one. And it's come to this. This one is almost about is growing to.
Oh, jellyfish! Diri guys, halita diri nila diri ang mga klase-klase mga jellyfish. Dali. Yes, the big one because of color. Those sila color.
It's from the water.
Dala. Diyawa siya. Niya, mulahin siya. Tanawang guys. Nilights. Nilights din siya. Mabuga sila lights. Ano sila mga butterfly. Kani nidagan. Ano nidagan? Kachika babes, kani siya is all about penguin. Nagdirinan po yung ang penguin. Sige. Okay.
Touch them, please, Mom. I want to touch them.
Okay, we go inside.
Can you pay to touch them?
Cannot. They are in danger.
No, they are almost touch them. I see. See? They're so cute.
Oh,
You can go inside.
this is the penguin.
You can go inside.
Oh,
I
nice.
have to go inside.